You can make your loops as big or as small as you want to. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're going to go through. I wonder how it would look though if I did it Tunisian. Let's take a look and do Tunisian and see. Instead of dropping the loops off and making single crochet, let's see what we end up with. Yeah, that could be interesting. Okay, 1. We could do it both ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of looks the same. Looks really similar. It's just that we don't have the single crochet, but I do really like the single crochet look actually. I like the single crochet quite a bit. And so either way works actually. And so if you didn't want to drop them off and you were kind of scared to drop them all off, you could do it that way. And then we could just do, let's see if we can get, so I've already got a loop on here. Well, we could just carry it on this way too. 1, pull them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you can see there is a significant difference here. Okay, now if we want to do it Tunisian, on the edge we just go through 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I like both ways. I really do. I like both ways actually. So there we have 2 different ways we can do this, and it's really hard to even tell. So this one is Tunisian and this one is single crochet. They really look the same. It's kind of, this one has a little bit heavier, a little bit of a roll right here, where down here you can kind of see the single crochet. I like both ways. So either way you can pick which one you want. And so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And you're also welcome to drop links into the comment section from your channel. If you have videos that you want to share the links to your YouTube channel. I know a lot of people are scared to do that for some reason, but if you want to promote your channel, you're more than welcome to. So that kind of helps us all grow together. And so thank you, and I'll see you the next time.